You know, re-insulating your home doesn't have to be complicated, but there is a game-changing product out there. It's USA Insulation. Their non-expansive foam gets the job done right without tearing up the walls in your home. So Brian, what do we have going on at this house today?
This house here that we're doing today, we're re-insulating it with injection foam.
Okay.
It's where we go from the exterior of the house on the exterior walls and inject the foam into the cavities all around the house, bringing up the R value, more importantly, bringing down the energy costs, because when we foam a house, some of our customers are getting up to a 50% reduction in their electricity or energy costs at this time, because a lot of the cavities in older homes are poorly insulated, and so we actually can put stuff into it and bring up that R value for our customers.
Well, here in Texas, you get into a home earlier than 70s, it may not have any insulation.
That is so true. A lot of homes that I go out and look at, when I drill into the house and we do a little pinhole, look into that cavity, it's hollow. And so you basically have brick on the outside, or maybe hardy board, that heats up and it passes it through the sheathing into the sheetrock, and so your air conditioning or heating is constantly trying to keep up with the exit of all that cold air going out through the walls.
Oh, but people got to be just amazed at how much better their air conditioning system works once the house is insulated.
Yes, it actually extends the life of your air conditioning because it's not turning on and running constantly. I tell people when you set it at 72, it will remain 72. You have a longer time where it's not processing, going on and off. So when we're filling up the cavity, it seals it up tight, and the foam is water resistant, bug resistant. Actually, it slows down allergens coming through the house. It reduces outside noise up to 80%.
So what's the life expectancy of the foam?
Let me put it like this. We've been injecting homes for 35 years and have had no problems.
All right, so one of the key things here is you're drilling through people's mortar.
Yes.
And obviously they don't want to see a bunch of buttons in the wall, so how are you fixing this?
Okay, so when we go through and we're drilling, we mortar back up those holes and we match the mortar. Now, mortar takes about 30 days to cure, so it does look a little wet, but as it dries, it blends in with the original mortar.
Right.
And so we wipe it through, and you can't tell after it dries where the hole was or wasn't.
Brian, I appreciate you letting me come over and kind of disturb this job a little bit, slow the workers down. Sorry about that.
Not at all.
But I need to get you out to my house as well.
I'd love to. Anytime, let me know, and I'll be out there. And we appreciate you coming out.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.